Caution, the doors are about to close.
You guys want Chicago?
No, actually, we're just gonna go one stop. Just you want to be on the train,
Okay.
so
Okay.
we're just to Geneva.
Okay, good. I'll let you begin off one second.
Are you on a choo-choo?
Here we go. Come on up. Is this awesome?
Griffin, are you on the choo-choo?
Are you excited?
What does the choo-choo say? You're a little overwhelmed.
Here we go. We're passing the houses and cars.
Don't you like the choo-choos? Griffin, look out the window. See the train tracks? Choo-choo tracks.
Wow. You are overwhelmed, huh? Here we go. Look at the farms. See the train tracks down there? She's like the conductor. On board. Train tracks. You having fun?
Griffin, can you say hi? Can you tell everybody what you're riding? Are you on a choo-choo?
A real train.
You on a real choo-choo train? Yeah, is it cool? You having fun? Griffin, you say hi? Hi.
What? Oh.
Bye. Bye.
Did you enjoy our train?